Aliga, di tignan mo, dahan-dahan lang. You okay?
Yeah, we're fine. Got an ambulance on the way.
Oh yeah, for that guy, huh? Did he go face down?
Yeah, I hit him on the right side of his eye.
Holy cow.
Yeah. He's doing all right though. We were just all up there. I'm just
Oh,
gonna flag down
okie-dokie.
these guys. I can hear them coming now.
Oh, okay. That's nice to know. He was a victim of the loop too, over there on the other side.
Oh yeah.
Face down also.
He's down.
Oh, he's back.
I'm back.
All right, man.
All right, sir.
Yeah.
Dalawang ano pala yun? Dalawang bump?
Yeah. Bumpy siya. Kasi minsan yan nire-restock yan eh. Nilalagyan ng lupa. Kasi di ba kakaride, nauuka.
Masyadong medyo malalim isa eh. Kailangan alam mo talaga may bump doon. Yung magugulat ka.
Yeah.
At saka pag mabilis ka,
Mabilis ka, delikado.
Oo, tatalon ka pa.
Eh, siguro siya bago lang.
Mas tip pa nga doon sa binaba na.
Oh, mas tip siya. Siguro siya mabilis. Nag-alangan siya, nagpreno, malamang. Baka parang sabi daw dito right side eh, sa mata. O, halika. Eto na, dito na tayo. Natatanda mo yung pag nag-shortcut tayo. Kasi dyan, bumpy. To your left, coming to your left. Ay, wala salida. Hindi ko na masagasaan yung ali. Sabi ko left, lumep siya. Tayo natin siya. Nabigla yata si Edwin. Ayun na. Minub na.